How to connect mouse and keyboard with your phone. Take an OTG, something like this. First of all, take the OTG, as you can see my friend here. Then attach or connect your mouse or the keyboard's USB with this OTG, as you can see here. Now my friend, simply connect with your mobile phone or your Android or iOS, and then phone settings, scroll down here, go to additional settings, and finally scroll down, and in the last, first of all go to OTG connection, so you can find it anywhere. So simply click on that here, and now it is activated. Now my friend, as you can see the cursor on the screen. Now let me show you the work. Now you can drag and drop here. You can click on any of the apps here, for example this. And my friend, one thing more, if you press the right key, so you can go back. For example, you have opened something like app, something like this. Now if you want to go back, what you have to do, click on the right click, and finally you will go back. And one thing more, if you move your mouse cursor, and if you scroll wheel, you can move here and there. Even you can go to the file option, for example this, you can scroll wheel here and you can go here and there.